So welcome back guys, this is day 2 of the build. As you can see, we've taken out the front grille, the radiator and all of its rather horrible water. Yeah, not healthy. It's taken about 3 hours to get to this stage. And Alex, if I come around the side, is just undoing the remainder of the gearbox mounts.
Last one done.
And he's done the last one. Bloody good team.
Yeah.
So yeah, as you can see, engine hoist is out. And the next update will be the engine actually out of the series, which will be pretty cool. So yeah, we'll see you there.
One eternity later.
Oh. I wasn't recording the whole time.
Joking?
No. Leave it, sorry guys. I hit record, but it wasn't recording. The engine is now out. It's out of the series. No more smoke. Just poke from the V8. Look at that engine bay. Look at that. Oh, this is awesome. It's taken about 5 hours to get to this point. And yeah, as you can see, she's out. It's about 250 kilos sat right there. It's a heavy old lump. So that's the end of day 2. The engine's out, as you can see. The V8's on the ground, looking all powerful and nice. So yeah, next stage of the process is back up tomorrow, just to clean up the engine bay. As you can see, it's just quite dirty. And then just on the back of here, these have to be cut just to allow for the exhaust headers. And the same on this side, as you can see. And once that's done, well, hopefully we can test fit the V8 again, and that'll be it. That's day 2 done in the workshop. The Land Rover, we actually did quite a lot of progress today. Managed, as you can see, we got the engine out, and we test fitted the V8 just to make sure it would go in, but it does need a bit of welding. We do have to cut apart some of the struts at the back of the engine bay, but these aren't big things. We can get those achieved quite quickly. So yeah, that's all done. And yeah, next time we'll be up at the workshop. It'll be cleaning up the engine bay, making sure that looks fairly good, because it is very dirty. You want to make it look all nice before the engine goes in. But anyways, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, bye.